Hello friends, and welcome to Fun Learning with Anna. Let's learn some popular Greek food names. Greek food is full of flavor and beautiful words. Today we're learning the most popular Greek food names you'll actually see in restaurants and tavernas. I'll say each word slowly in Greek so you can practice along and sound like a local next time you order. Let's get started. Souvlaki. Souvlaki. Souvlaki is grilled meat on skewers, often served with feta and veggies. Pita. Pita. Pita is a soft flatbread used for gyros, souvlaki, or pies. Tzatziki. Tzatziki. Tzatziki is a yogurt and cucumber dip with garlic and olive oil. Feta. Feta. Feta is soft, salty cheese made from sheep or goat milk. It's often eaten in salads or pies. Gyro. Gyro. Gyro is meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie, often served in pita with veggies and sauce. Moussakas. Moussakas. This is a baked dish with layers of eggplant, potato, meat, and bechamel sauce. Choriatiki. Choriatiki. This is a Greek village salad. This is a salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, onions, and feta. Spanakopita. Spanakopita. This is a savory Greek pie filled with spinach, feta, and herbs. Dolmades. Dolmades. This is stuffed grape leaves usually filled with rice, herbs, and sometimes meat. Fakes. Fakes. This is a lentil soup cooked with olive oil, onions, and tomatoes. Fasolada. Fasolada. This is a traditional Greek soup made with white beans, tomatoes, and olive oil. Tiropita. Tiropita. This is a savory cheese pie made with phyllo and filled with feta and other cheeses. Keftedes. Keftedes. Keftedes are Greek-style meatballs flavored with herbs and are fried. Pasticcio. Pasticcio. This is a baked pasta with meat sauce and creamy bechamel topping. Yemista. Yemista. This is a savory dish of vegetables stuffed with rice, herbs, and sometimes meat. Briam. Briam. This is a Greek vegetable dish of baked mixed vegetables with olive oil and herbs. Stifado. Stifado. This is a Greek stew of meat slow cooked with onions, tomato, and spices. Avgolemono. Avgolemono. This is a Greek soup made with eggs, lemon, and sometimes rice or orzo. Saganaki. Saganaki. A savory Greek dish of cheese fried until golden and crispy. Loukoumades. Loukoumades. These are small round donuts drizzled with honey and cinnamon. Baklavas. Baklavas. Sweet pastry with layers of phyllo, nuts, and honey syrup. Bougatsa. Bougatsa. This is a sweet custard-filled phyllo pastry topped with powdered sugar and cinnamon. Koulourakia. Koulourakia. These are traditional Greek cookies made from butter, sugar, and eggs, usually baked in various shapes. Galaktobouriko. Galaktobouriko. This is a custard baked in phyllo dough with syrup. Melomakarona. Melomakarona. These are traditional cookies made with honey, spices, and topped with walnuts. Kourabiedes. Kourabiedes. These cookies are made with butter and almonds. They're sweet and crumbly and finished off with powdered sugar. They're often served during the holidays. Rizogalo. Rizogalo. This is a Greek rice pudding made with milk, sugar, and rice, often topped with cinnamon. Now you've learned some of the popular Greek food names. Which one's your favorite? And which will you try next? If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun learning. Thanks for watching. Yasas Fili. Bye, friends.